Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to convert documents to a ZIP file. To begin, gather all the documents you want to combine into a single, compact archive. Hold down the Control key on a Windows computer or the Command key on a Mac, and then click each individual file you wish to include. This simple method allows you to select as many or as few files as you need, preparing them efficiently for the crucial next step of compression. Once your documents are selected, gently right-click on any one of the highlighted files. A menu will instantly appear, offering several options for action. On a Windows machine, navigate to Send To, then choose Compressed, Zipped folder to initiate the process. Mac users will find a direct option labeled Compress Items. Your operating system will then swiftly create a new, single ZIP file, ready for your custom renaming. You might find yourself needing to add more documents to a ZIP file you've already created. This process is straightforward. Simply open the existing ZIP file as you would any other folder. Then, select the new documents you wish to include and drag them directly into that open ZIP folder window. Remember to ensure the ZIP file is not actively being used by another program, and your new files will be seamlessly added. For sensitive documents, adding a password to your ZIP file provides crucial security. Standard Windows and Mac tools do not natively offer this encryption feature. You will need to use a reliable third-party compression program, such as 7-Zip or WinRAR, to apply password protection. Always select a strong, unique password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.